Alright guys, what is going on? This is your boy DeVintage, man. We back at it again with another video, and today we're gonna be doing like a little recap over the Nike SB Chunky Dunkies that released today via the Nike Sneakers app. As you guys do know, skate shops around the United States release these things exclusively with the exclusive box and the packaging and stuff like that. But like I said, today we got the draw on the Sneakers app, and a lot of people took L's that I know, and a lot of people that was in the chat, man. We had like 800 people in there, and we seen way more L's than W's, which kind of was expected, you know what I'm saying, because that shoe was rumored to be limited. Even with all the tips, all the tricks and stuff that we give you guys, it's still hard for us to even hit a pair as well, man. So it's all good if you take an L sometimes. I know it's kind of discouraging when you always taking L's from the Sneakers app. You like, man, forget Sneakers app, they'll never let me win, it's rigged and stuff like that. But you gotta think about it. It's a million other people like you that love shoes that's putting in for the same type of shoe. That's my whole motive going into every release, man. You can't always win at the end of the day. You're gonna take L's. But with these SBs, man, it was crazy, bro. It was just real tough. And I knew this was gonna happen. I did a video talking about these shoes are gonna be dang near impossible to get, and we seen that raffle with some of these skate shops and however they did it, and a lot of people took L's, and it came down to the final Nike Sneakers app draw, and they gave us the final L's. I put in like 3 different accounts. Like I said, you guys are gonna see every step of the way. When I show you guys the footage I took during the live stream. See if we can get this W. We still waiting. We have 5 minutes left. There you go, check it out. Focus, boom. 5 minutes left. Hopefully we get a W. I'm not too sure. It's like one of those limited shoes that it's kind of hard to get. It's like only 50,000 pairs or something like that, I'm hearing. So the odds are definitely not in our favor, but it still be very clutch if we got a pair. Me personally, I'm going to be getting them and selling them and get something I really want back in the collection. I've been telling you guys that from the get-go. But if you did hit, let me know down below. If you took a W, took an L, shoot, you can let me know down below as well. We can get some conversation going down below. You guys already know how we do with these videos, man. So like I said, if you ain't subscribed yet, subscribe right now to your boy. Hit the like button and go for every video is 300 likes. And yeah, follow me over on IG at DeVintage World. Like I said, let me know over there. Send me a picture you got them over there on IG, and I will definitely share that on my story, man, to let people know that somebody did hit on these Chunky Dunkies. Live countdown, y'all. Let's get it. 14, 13. It's a delay. It's a delay. I forgot.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
3, 2, 1. He behind like a mother.
1. Happy New Year!
What's up? What's up? What's up?
It just says nothing. Here we go. Do we just keep the screen up? I guess so. I'm keeping my screen up. Just
I ain't touching it.
I feel like I'm gonna get bad news. That Chunky Dunky. Hey, get that Chunky Dunky.
Your entry wasn't selected. What the fuck? I already got my message.
Yeah, I just got out on mine. Trash. Your entry wasn't selected.
Damn.
So that's one account.
That's one. That's one down. We still hoping on this one.
Oh, it says entered right there. That's weird.
I took an L on one account. How many L's you took? You took, Alan?
I took 2 so far.
What about you, Wyatt?
1.
Joe?
2 L's.
Dad life?
1 so far.
Okay, and we see a whole bunch of L's over here.
Oh, there's number 2.
Oh, number 2, man.
There's number 2.
And then people want to see a lot of L's in the chat.
Before it was confirmed.
Right?
Will Doan said he had 25%. I think you had the wrong app, bro.
Right? He on the Adidas app.
He on Adidas trying to get these.
Oh, man. Still entered. After the draw, like 10 minutes later, you start seeing nothing but L's run down the comments, man. It was crazy. But I do want to know who hit on them. If you did hit, let me know down below in the comment section. I am very interested in knowing who got a W. Like, I want to see a lot of W's, of course, but in all reality, you're going to see a lot more L's rather than W's going throughout the day, man. You know, usually when you get those like general releases like the Flint 13s, like the Game Royal ones, or like some shoes like that we got that's pretty much general release, you see a whole bunch of Gottoms on Instagram. But this go around, I only seen one Gotham that I know, DREEDSHEAT. I'm gonna link her down below so you guys can expect that review and on feed from her. She hit on them, she came in the chat, she let us know, and I was super excited, man. So I'm ready to see that review. I'm ready to see that on feed. That's she's gonna drop. I don't know if she's gonna do it on feed or not. Who knows? Me personally, if I would have hit on these shoes, I would have sold them right away on StockX. Right now they're going around $1,700 minimum. So it's definitely a good profit. You spend $100 on the shoe and you're getting $1,700 on top of that. you're winning, bro. But we all do know that the Travis Scott Air Max 270s will be releasing this Friday again via the draw. And everybody took an L on the sneakers app today for the Chunky Dunkies. Probably like, man, okay, Nike gonna give me a W on the Travis Scotts. But in all reality, you might end up taking another L on these as well, man. It's kind of hard hitting on these draws. So you gotta think about it. It's millions of different accounts getting used through these draws. It's people like hundreds of accounts that's hitting on these shoes, and probably even with those 100 accounts, you're probably only getting one size, man. So you gotta think about it, take all that into consideration, and don't harp too much on that L, man. I know you probably really want this shoe. Me, like I said, I didn't really want it. I wanted it for the resale purposes, because there's other shoes I really want to go back and get, like the Travis Scott 1s, Travis Scott 4s, Off-White 5s, and different shoes like that these Chunky Dunkies definitely would have went towards, man. But like I said, let me know if you hit down below in the comment section. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Like the video to go for every video is 300 likes, you guys already know.